morning. Good morning. Good morning. I know, baby. I know. Good morning. Hey, baby. Hey. Hey. Okay. Time to get up. Sleepyheads. Time to get up. Sleepyheads. Time to get up. Time for breakfast, right? Chrissy, time for breakfast. Here we go. Here we go. So did he sleep with you all night?
Yes.
Huh? No, he was... Here we go. Hey, morning. Morning. Okay. There you go. Okay. There we go. Think she's hungry? Hey, there you go. You hungry? Yes, indeed. There you go. And finally, last but certainly not least, is the Miko Man. This is the stuffed animal corner. You, look at that boy. Anyway, so I went out and he's here to greet me. Shanti is next. I put this little guy in bed and give Shanti some love before I retire for the evening. Hey, buddy boy. Well, I just came in to say goodnight to my tally boy. I know, yeah. Yeah, baby. Oh, you're such a cute boy. Look at those big ears. I make sure to spend time every one of my babies every night and say goodnight properly. Okay. There they go. Free. Chrissy going out. And we've got the treats, as they're used to that. Tiara, by seniority. Ciara, no, she's not interested. She is gonna go drink pond water for now. So, Shanti, hey. Tally. Buddy, come on. Hey, buddy. Oh. Okay, so this is a big deal. I'm doing porch time, and I'm gonna let this guy run around in the yard. It's time. It's time. Okay, buddy. Go. Be free. Be free. This is a big adventure. Tally's big adventure. All the new smells. My Tally really wants to connect with Prissy. Biko has no interest whatsoever. He's just growling. But Prissy does. Prissy does. He's definitely interested. Oh, baby, huh? Piece I got at the disc golf course for my plant art. I love, plant debris that I use for my sculptures, my living sculptures. Like this. Like my living sculpture here. Like this one. Over in the corner over there. So come on, baby. So I gently pulled her over here. They love each other so much.
Well, once again, dusk. I love the dusk colors. I love my yard. My sanctuary.
And that's really the same fundamental premise of TCD, of the Cat Diaries, is here's what it is that we've lost connection with the natural world and we need to regain it. We've lost connection with the beauty of creation.
And that's why we can do these horrible things to it. The only way that we can despoil a river, or cut off the top of a mountain, or destroy an entire ecosystem because we want a new mall, is because we don't have any connection. If we really had a connection with that living system, those living beings, we can never do that to it. So that's why I believe reconnecting with nature, the natural world, with creation is so important. And that's what TC is all about. Lots of different evidence.
What do you say, lizard or what? Hunter boy, you got another lizard, and it's pretty much gone again. I tried to save him, but no way, not this one. Got him on his leg, sucker. Tally, man, he's fierce. He's just checking it out, and they. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop it. See? Hopefully Prissy's outside. Okay. She came by the porch. Okay, Prissy, come on, baby, come on. There she is. Yay! Hey! Hey, baby. Come on, you guys know what I'm gonna say. It's 7:30, dinner time. And look who's in for dinner. 3 nights in a row. Yeah! I'm so happy. Okay, baby. Okay, baby. Okay, you get a snacky snack. Sorry. Okay, here you go. Chicken, 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 chicken. Okay, baby. Alright, here you go. Chicken, 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 chicken. Okay, alright. Alright, I'm gonna leave her in here and then bring the other ones out because that leaves only Sierra. As far as I know, it's only. Is it Shanti or Sierra? I can't remember. I'll go check. Okay, baby. Thanks for coming in, baby. I know I gush about her. I just go on and on, but I just can't tell you. Just can't tell you what a feeling it is to have her here right now. 4 days. This little girl is so precious to me. Oh, I just have to check in on the feeling. My heart is just like so full and happy right now. I know, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Love you. Love you. Prissy. Love you.